Okay, we need to be really careful with this one. Um, there's no X on here anywhere, so we need to look for exactly what we are being asked to find. Use the diagram and the given information to find the diameter of the circle. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we are being asked to find the diameter. Of course, that means you better know what that vocabulary word diameter means. Um, the diameter of the circle, I'm hoping you recognize, is the chord stretching from one side of the circle to the other, but passing through the center. So, segment AB is the diameter. Okay, now let's put in what we have so far. We're given BC is 18. So you really should draw that in so you can see what you're dealing with. So BC is 18. DC is 22. So we'll put our 22 right here. Now let's put an X on that thing that we're trying to find. So I'm going to put a giant X right here, representing that entire red segment, the diameter, because that's what we're looking for. Okay, now we're ready to get started. Is this going to be the part times part equals part times part situation, or is this going to be the part times whole equals part times whole situation? Alright, hopefully you said this is going to be the part times whole equals part times whole situation. So when I look at this and I think, well, what's the part and what's the whole, I need you to understand that 18 is the part. When I say part, it's always going to be the part that's outside the circle. So 18 is the part. So I'm going to start with that. Okay, now as far as the whole goes all the way from here to here. That's the whole that we are talking about. So that is x plus 18. X plus 18 is going to be the whole. So I will have part times whole, 18 times x plus 18. Okay, now down here at the bottom, 22 is both the part and the whole. So part times whole, 22 times 22. So I could write 22 times 22 if I wanted to. Or if I want to write it a little more neatly, I could write 22 squared. Either way, it's going to be the same thing. Now, on this side, we're going to have the distributive property is happening. Now, the only reason why I'm doing the distributive property now is because I can't add 18 and x. Some kids want to take this and put 18x, but that would be multiplication. This is addition. You cannot add x and 18. They are not like terms, so I can't do anything inside the parentheses. Instead, I will distribute. So this will become 18x plus 324 equals 484. Okay, what do you think I'm going to do next? It's time to subtract 324 from both sides. That's going to leave me with 18x equals 160. What do you think I'm going to do now? Let's go ahead and divide both sides by 18. if I do 160 divided by 18, I get 8.888 repeating. They said round to the nearest tenth, so since that's an 8, this is going to round to a 9, so that's going to be 8.9. So I'm going to get x equals 8.9. And that is the answer, which of course is option B. So everyone should have chosen B for number 13.